I see you were brought to court today. I don't necessarily know who is this?
My ex-husband.
Okay, so
Yes.
he brought you to court today, had you served.
Correct.
Have you talked to him?
I have not.
Interesting. Okay. Well, do you have any idea why he brought you here? I mean, other than him saying he's wanting child support, that's all I know.
That's all I know as well. We actually share a child together. Her name is Michaela. She's 12.
Okay.
She came to court confused and shocked. She was served legal papers out of nowhere by her ex-husband, someone she hasn't even talked to. The only possible reason? Their 12-year-old daughter, Michaela. Now she's standing in front of a judge, not sure what this is really about. What does he want? And why now?
She's back and forth between her father and myself. And he's just decided to bring me to court. Currently, I do everything for Michaela. We just came back from a trip to Mexico.
Okay.
I furnished Michaela's education, take her shopping, basically just doing what a mother's supposed to do at this point.
Right.
So I'm not understanding why he would waste our time and bring me to court just for this, when I'm doing for Michaela.
All right. And so do you all have any relationship at all?
We don't.
Okay.
She's the one covering all of Michaela's needs: school, vacations, clothes, everything. He doesn't call, doesn't check in, has no real relationship with their daughter. But now, he's brought her to court. She's been doing her job as a mother. So why is he acting like she's the problem? The truth might not be about money at all.
Was there a recent disagreement or something? I mean, something triggered him to want to bring you to court and ask for child support, especially for a child that you all share.
Absolutely. And there was a situation where I had a friend, and he just did not like the fact that I had a friend and Michaela was around my friend.
Okay. So it's a guy friend.
It is.
Okay.
It is a guy friend, and he's just very vindictive at this point, and this really shows it. He didn't even show up.
Turns out, this wasn't about child support at all. The real issue? She introduced Michaela to a male friend, and her ex lost it. Jealousy turned into a courtroom battle. But here's the twist. He didn't even show up. He used the legal system to lash out, then disappeared. So, is this really about their daughter? Or just his pride getting in the way?
Yeah, it's when people don't show up to court, it's weird for me because I have to stare at an empty chair, But what I am going to do is go ahead and dismiss this case. You will not be placed on child support today.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Do you understand what that means, by me dismissing?
I do understand that. However, I would like to know what are my next steps that I possibly could have.
The judge looked at the empty chair. He never showed. Case dismissed. No child support, no consequences. She finally exhaled, a weight lifted, for now. But the relief didn't last long. Because even though she walked out with a win, she knows the system still leaves the door wide open. And deep down, she's certain this fight might not be over.
At this point, none. You're not being placed on child support.
Okay.
His case is being dismissed. If in the future, now he can refile and try to bring you back to court, and he can get you reserved, and hopefully he shows up. But other than that, nothing else is going to happen with your case. He has to go through the entire process again.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Do you have any other questions?
No questions at this time, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, if there's nothing further, you're dismissed.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
For now, her ex lost this round, but the judge made it clear. He can come back, refile, try again. This fight isn't guaranteed to be finished. But today, she walks away with her head high and her dignity intact. If you've ever faced false accusations, hit like, share your story in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Because justice doesn't end in court. It starts when your voice is finally